3 international representatives from overseas beverage factories entered Fangkuai Boiler's modern factory with anticipation. They witnessed firsthand laser cutting, intelligent welding, and rigorous testing. Each boiler showcased the powerful capabilities of made-in-China intelligent manufacturing. In the conference room, both parties solemnly signed a contract, shaking hands firmly, marking the official start of efficient cooperation. From production to packaging, and then to loading and ocean shipping, Fangkuai Boiler delivers to its global partners with lightning speed. The boilers ignited successfully, driving the beverage production line at high speed. Fangkuai Boiler, your reliable steam partner for the global beverage industry.